Having a website for your small business increases its credibility, but most people think that building a website for their bicycle rental service is going to be expensive and it's going to be complicated. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, bicycle rental service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our bicycle rental service. Put in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it up because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. A physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put on the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Head on over to the next section. If you've got a business logo, if you want to make slight amendments to it, you can click on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. If you'd like to change the colors that were used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your own business, go ahead and click on that update section button. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search through that photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and pull in those images. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons, the text on them and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file for your business. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you and get in touch. Keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are super easy as well. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on that button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your bicycle rental service. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.